Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. There's a memorial sale for Sandro and Maje, so I'm gonna try on as many as possible, and then I will do haul with the item I bought. Do you remember? I got this white dress from Chanel markdown sale. Also the espadrille. I love to find cardigan from here, like this yellow cardigan, gonna match with my Chanel dress. Love this color. It's gonna match with any jean, white jean. What do you think about this cardigan? Love the floral print of this jumpsuit. This is so cute. Perfect for summer. So I couldn't find from homepage, but it's from Sandro. I tried this beige dress. I like it. Love this tweed jacket. It goes well with the beige dress I tried. This is so cute and I love this piping. I love this Bermuda jean and the sleeveless cardi coat. This is so chic and casual. You can match with other bottom as well. But this cardi coat is pretty much snug fit. You can go for the smallest size. Love the yellow color of this long pleated skirt. It's so silky, so you can match with any white top. I tried to match with their crochet sweater. It's from Sandro as well. I love this combination. The crochet sweater is so romantic and feminine, but you can match with anything. Skirt, jean. I love the lace detail of this dress. I think I tried last time, but don't miss this because now it's on sale. Last time I tried black color. I wanted to try this beige color as well. I think this is more like spring, summer color. I love to get this color. I love this t-shirt, especially the front part is like a scarf. So it looks like you are wearing a scarf. I wish there's more color. Last time I tried this as a dress, but this one is yellow and only as a top. I love to wear as a top because I can match any bottom and wear any different style. This one is so pretty. This is navy color. I love the white trimming and the pleated skirt. Okay, this one has a dress style and then top and skirt separately. I prefer top and skirt separately because you can match with jean with top, and this skirt you can match with any a black top, I would say. So you can mix and match with other things. I prefer that way. This is lightweight short sleeve sweater. I would wear as a just top, but it can be cardigan as well. But if I match with this skirt with this top only, it's gonna be like this. How about this? I love this style. You can just wear the jean, but you can match this kind of white skirt. This is so feminine. Yeah, so this one is from Maje, as I remember, but I couldn't find from the homepage. But I loved it because I can wear as a cardigan, match with any kind of casual style. I love these shirts and shorts. These shorts was not on sale. Now it's on sale. You need to get these shorts because you can match with any kind of top. This is navy color. I saw this same check pattern from another style, but I think this is also cool. Love this mohair cardigan with a button. I found this color, but it's not on homepage. But if you can find from store, I think you should get this color. This is so pretty and feminine. Love this tweed jacket. It's like you can match with any like white jean or just any denim. I love this sleeveless cardigan because it has a contrast band. You can match with any denim, jean. It's so chic. This was my favorite look. Perfect for summer. And this one, inside there's a pants, but outside it looks like a skirt. You need to go for a little bit bigger size for the bottom because it's a little bit tight style, but I love it. Okay, I would say this is kind of resort look. When you like go on a trip, you can wear very like summery style. I like the print, but I would say you don't need to wear as a set. This one is so pretty as a set. The bottom is a little bit tight. You can go for bigger size. The top, you can go for smaller size. But you can match with any jean. Love this green color. Love this as a set. There were sleeveless top with chain on the neckline. But I think I can wear like this. This is so feminine. The skirt is a little bit tight. You can go for bigger size. This dress is so comfortable. You should get this one. There is cardigan as well. Love this red dress. I love the contrasting white stitch detail. Love this print satin dress. I wish the skirt side can be a little bit shorter so that it doesn't like drag. I think this is navy color. I love this dress, especially the white trimming. There is an acro color. I think it's a white color. I think this summer dress is not on sale. It's like really new style, but I love this like lace detail. So you wanna see what I got? I got this oversized shirt style cardigan. It's so classic. And I got this set. I love it. I got this jacket as a cardigan, not the dress. I love this. I can match with anything, like white jean, denim, and this yellow cardigan. This is so pretty. Hope you enjoyed my video today. If you are interested in any luxury brand, fashion, and lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next week, there will be Hermes haul, so don't miss it. See you soon. Bye!